Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla.
Yeah, baby. Let's go. Hey, that baby. Hey, that baby. Shimmer, baby. You gotta shimmer. Oh my God! Oh my God! I'm tired. Y'all better have that baby. Better do this one. You gotta shake it, please. Rich said he ain't dilated. Hey, now y'all see how I feel to be in labor for 24 hours. Right. Hey, Chris, yours almost out, baby. Come on. I see the head. I see her head. Look at Kurt. What is he doing? What is he doing, Kurt? I'm trying to see that baby head. Come on, Chris. We see the head. Come on, Chris. Come on. Help get your niece out. Get your niece out. Cut it. Give me the cut it out. Cut it out. Somebody hit me. Mika. Did you say cut it? Did you say cut it, Mika? Did you say cut it last time? Did you say cut it? No. No cut Oh, I see the head. I see the head. I see the head. I see the head. There it is. I see the head over there. The head.
This one I'm gonna call walk a mile in a pregnant woman's shoes. You see me? It's a form of a game, but really and truly you can see that is the point, right? When you see them go and then put a balloon under them belly, so that represents the baby inside of the belly, and to put on the shoes while being pregnant, you know, I mean, that can be difficult. You see me? I say, just think about it. You see it? And then now, after that now, them do the squeezing thing, but you can't use your hand where you have a push, like as if you are trying to give birth and all them things, you see me? And you can look at it and see one point where a man look like him feel embarrassed about the whole sport. You can see when he just said so like him and say, yo, Jano star, this is stupidness. What this me do, man? Yo, Jano. Yes, I said, here the question right about now. Would you play this game? Right? Would you play this game? And this game is not just for men, you know. Get to me saying, it's a pregnant person. So either man or woman really and truly can play this game if you look at it, you see me? Well, believe it or not, a lot of persons really and truly might have a little problem with this game, you see me? You know, online you can hear some of the comments them from the male, them really and truly is like them and say, yo, them wouldn't play this game because this game don't look right, it look a little bit feminine or something like that, you see me? I say, but that is the point of the game, you see me? That's why it's so fun. You can better say, you know, and you know, really and truly, and to be honest, you know, if you say this too, even though persons might think it's only men that might have a problem with it, but it surprised me that at least 1 or 2 females say, yo, Jano, it must be embarrassing for the males to do something like this. So I said to you, but that's the point of the game though. The point of it is for men to actually have somewhat of an experience of what the women them go through. You see what I'm saying to you? Alright? But anyways, I don't know me bring this and leave this with you, my viewers and subscribers. You know, want to tell me what you think about something like this. You know what I'm saying to you? And as always, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Leave your comments, let me know what you think. My name is Dancehall. Skilla, uno big up on yourself. You see it?